Hello and welcome to a Spider Strategies QuickScore training video. In this video, we'll be covering using and creating alerts in QuickScore. Alerts in QuickScore are great because they provide immediate visibility to information you've chosen to be alerted about, easy one-click drill-down access to deeper actionable information and insight, and opportunities to inform others of information they should know about. There are 4 types of alerts available in QuickScore. The first is a standard user subscription alert. Secondly, an initiative, task, or milestone edit alert. Third, a broadcast alert. And last, a global system-wide alert. Let's jump into QuickScore and work with and create all of these types of alerts. I've logged into QuickScore and see the existence of some new alerts indicated to me in several different locations. In the far upper left, next to the Home section header, I see a blue oval with the number 4. Similarly, under the Home navigation pane, next to Alerts, I see another blue oval with a 4. And most obviously, right in the middle of the home page of QuickScore, there's a New Alerts area where the 4 new alerts that have been generated by the system are presented to me. The first of these alerts is for the financial organization and the book revenue measure. I see that its value is now $38,600 for June of 2018, which falls in the yellow or middle performing range for that measure. I don't feel like I need to investigate that any further. Right below it, in the financial organization, there's a training revenue measure, which its value is now $49,999 for June of 2018. That's greatly concerning to me, and I'd like to investigate that measure further through this alert. I'll simply click on the Training Revenue Alert, which will drill me down into the financial organization, will open up the scorecard of financial profit and loss, the revenue area, and give me detailed information about this training revenue measure, which has obviously taken a pretty precipitous drop in the month of June 2018. I, of course, can work with this measure within the Overview tab or the Measures tab, and, of course, can add notes at the bottom if I'd like to add a note expressing my concern over this precipitous drop in performance. After reviewing the training revenue measure, I can return to the home page by simply clicking Home in the upper left corner and again proceed to review other alerts. The next type of alert is an initiative, task, or milestone alert, which indicates some type of editing change was made to an initiative, task, or milestone. In this case, the expand customer base in Minnesota to 10,000 had an end date change from the end of May to the end of July. The budget was similarly changed from 50,000 to 60,000. With that summary in front of me, that may be all I need to know. But if I'd like to dive deeper into that initiative, I simply click on it, and similar to how we drilled down into the scorecard for the training revenue, I am now in the initiatives area or section of QuickScore and have detailed view information to the expand customer base in Minnesota initiative, including the overview and the timeline perspectives on that initiative. Again, I'll return to the home page to continue our navigation and review of alerts. The fourth and last type of alert that we have here is a broadcast alert that was generated by someone with administrative capabilities, indicating that they would desire that we update our measures before the end of the month so we can understand performance through the month of July. This type of alert does not have any drill through or drill down capability. It's simply a text-based message that is conveyed to the users that the author of the message, the broadcast alert message, chose to deliver it to. Now that we've reviewed these existing alerts, let's get into how each of these different alert types are created within QuickScore. We'll start with the most common type of alert employed within QuickScore, which is the user subscription alert. Starting from the home page of QuickScore, we need to get into the Alerts section of QuickScore. That can be achieved by either clicking Show All Alerts at the bottom of the listing of existing alerts, or in the home page navigation pane, selecting Alerts. In either case, you're brought to the same destination. Here you see a review of all existing alerts within QuickScore. We'd like to create a new alert. So in the upper right hand corner, we'll click Edit Subscriptions. What this does is effectively open the QuickScore Administrative Settings console and give us visibility to alert preferences, where we have a listing of all the existing alerts that have been set up for this user. The first is a book revenue, asking to be notified if measure value is below 10,000, training revenue if the measure is below 50 or below or equal to 50,000, and product revenue if the score change is below or equal to 7. And lastly, customer churn if a note has been added. We will create a new alert around product cost. We'll click Add, select from either score change, measure value change, or notes added. In our case, we'll select score change. That will open up the Add Score Change subscription window, and we'll navigate to find the measure that we'd like to be alerted if a score changes. We'll open Mobile World Inc., the financial organization. On the right, we'll open up the cost of sales theme or area and select the measure of product cost. At the bottom, we'll set the subscription settings to send an alert when the score is below or equal to 7 for this scorecard item, and we'll select Add. You now see that a product cost alert has been added, that the score change below or equal to 7 has been set. The next type of alert we'll address is the initiative, task, or milestone edit alert. Initiative, task, or milestone alerts are set up within the initiative section of QuickScore. To that end, in the black primary navigation pane on the left, we'll select Initiatives, and we'll navigate into the organization that we want to work with, which in this case is Customer Support, and click Select. We'll change a minor element of the Expand Customer Base in Minnesota initiative. We'll highlight it, click Edit, and change the due date from July 31st to August 31st. We'll change the total budget from 60 to 70,000. And in the lower right hand corner, click Notify Assigned Users and Groups of Changes. That is the key to alerting assignees to any edit changes that you have made to this particular initiative or task or milestone. Click Save, then click Done to initiate the sending of an alert to changes to that initiative. The exact same procedure applies to something like a task within QuickScore, in this case, purchase list of potential customers. Again, if I want to edit this task and provide it with a changed budget, such as doubling the total budget from 20 to 40,000, again, the Notify Assigned Users and Groups of Changes button in the lower right hand corner, click it on, click Save, and then click Done. And again, an alert will be sent to any assignees of that task. The third type of alert we'll address is the broadcast alert. Broadcast alerts are easy to create, assuming that you have appropriate rights and privileges to do so. Starting from the home page of QuickScore, we'll navigate into the Settings module of QuickScore, and under the Personal heading, select Broadcast Alert. The Broadcast Alert interface allows you to type a custom text-based message and select your recipients of that message. In this case, I'll provide a fun-loving message of here's an example of a broadcast alert that can be pushed out to everyone in the QuickScore system. Enjoy! And then we'll select the recipients of that broadcast alert. It can go from everyone to specific groups, different types of groups of users, and even down to the granular level of individual users. In this case, we'll go ahead and push this message and alert out to everyone. Then click Send Broadcast Alert to send this alert. The last type of alert we'll address are the global system-wide alerts. Global system-wide alerts require appropriate administrative privileges and are set up within the Settings area of QuickScore. If you click Settings and under the Configuration heading, click Application Administration. the very first area or bucket of information that you can set up under Application Administration is named Email Notification. This actually pertains to alert notification, and there are 5 different settings that are available to you. You can set read measures without tasks to be alerted yes or no, note replied to yes or no, read measures upon turning red yes or no, measure update reminders at varying periods of time. You are able, as you can see here, to provide more than one period of time where a measure update reminder should be sent via the QuickScore system. Simply click in the open area of the field and select a given quantity of days before or after a defined update period of time for an alert to be set. And lastly, should you notify owners of parents of linked items when the underlying source is modified, yes or no. Again, these settings regarding alerts are pertinent to administrators and are system-wide. They will apply to everyone using the QuickScore system. Throughout this training video, we've shown you 4 different types of alerts available to you in QuickScore: user subscription alerts, initiative task or milestone edit alerts, broadcast alerts, and global system-wide administrative alerts. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call us at learn@spiderstrategies.com. Thank you,